Part 2. We're doing the blushes. Hey guys, welcome to Lip Shoes and Issues. I'm Jeannie and I'm just continuing from the last video. I've got the Lashify lashes on and I'm actually waiting for them to dry. They still feel a little wet, and so they're definitely a little wet. I'm wondering if I didn't wait long enough to let them dry before. That's what I'm wondering, because they washed right off that night. When I'm looking at the other YouTubers who are doing it and they're lasting like 4, 5, 6 days, and I'm trying to figure out, well, what am I doing wrong? I think what it is I washed them off that night. Maybe I'm going to leave them alone. I'm not going to, I'll wash. How am I going to do that? I'm going to use one of those makeup remover cloths and I'll wash my face that way. And I'm definitely going to leave these alone because they do feel wet. Very dramatic. Not my style, but this is a practice kit, so we'll go with that. So what are we doing right now? We're doing the new 6 blushes that I ordered from Ulta. They're 21-day Ulta specials. I was on there every day. I'm like, what do you got today? What do you got today? What is there today? Is there one thing I can get? But I did not get anything I did not need, believe me. But I do need blushes. I only have 50 of them. So let's get started. I already have all my other makeup on. And I did bring a wet makeup remover to wipe off all the other blushes. I hate doing that, but I have to do it. So, right now, okay. The first one I have here is Salty Siren. I'm going to go from light to dark. So let me make sure I'm doing that. Beach Bib. And, yeah, I'm doing this right. Oh, Naughty and Spice. I think I'll end with Naughty and Spice. Not, okay. All right. Salty Siren is the lightest. It's like a coral. Oh, I love it. Coral pinky bronzer. Oh, I love this so much. And then the brush on the other side. This is Nude Sticks. I love Nude Sticks. They've got great stuff. Oh, I am loving this already. All right, so you can dab it on. Protect it. Do the little brush. This is it's very dense. When I use a blush brush, I don't like anything this dense, but you know, I'm gonna go for this, okay? So let's see what we got here. And I just like to dab and rub. I mean, this isn't very ideal. I would definitely rather use a blush brush, but it's perfect for throwing it in your bag and moving on. Definitely. But I'm telling you right now, I love the color. I love the coverage. It's buildable. You always want a blush that's buildable, because you don't know if you want to go light, dark, heavy. And my dogs are arguing. I don't know why. They're like seriously arguing. I'm going to have to bring them in here. This is a coral, bright peachy color. And unfortunately, I have like my spot. I have my little eye peel thing, and I did my eye peel this morning, so it brought my spots to the surface. So I don't know if you can, I don't know if that's getting in the way of this look, but this color, I love it. I love it. This is something, this is a color you'll definitely reach for. It's a go-to for summertime, okay? It has like a, it would look so pretty with a tan. I love it. All right, I'm gonna do another color on this side after I open a damn bottle of wine because it's my birthday. I love the color. I love this. All right, so that was Salty Siren. Okay, let's move on to the Beach Babe. Obviously, I'm thinking this is a bronzer, but it's more of a rosy bronzer. Can you see? All right, so Beach Babe is right there. It definitely has some more bronzer to it. More rose. This is more pinky. All right, let's go for it. I'm doing this side. Definitely more pigment. And I like to start with the apples of my cheeks and work my way out. I want to stick with this brush, but I can't make it work. I'm going to make it work. Like the girl did it on the video. The young girl, the very young girl. Let's get that hair out of the way. Beach Babe. Definitely more pigment. If I just use my fingers, it's easier. I love it. I love this color. It's pretty. It's just pretty. Definitely a Beach Babe color. Definitely a summertime color. Yeah. It's more rosy. Rosy, pinky. Can you see? Rosy, pinky. Hopefully it's showing up good on camera. I don't know. It needs a little more blending. But, oh, I love it. I love it. I love both of these so far. Now I gotta wash them off. And I want to try one more blush. So this will be a short video. And this one's called Naughty and Nice. No, Naughty and Spice. This is this is like a, I don't know, I think this may be my favorite. It's pinky but bronzy. And I'm going to put this on both my cheeks. I can already tell you that I'm going to love this. This is like glamorous, this one. It feels glamorous. God, I wish I could make this brush work for me. Just gonna go in with my hands in a minute. I think I'm impatient. There we go. This feels better. I do like this one. I like it. I think I like this one the best, actually. You know what I like about these blushes is if you use your hands, they melt into your skin and they have a beautiful, look, see what I'm doing? I'm just using my fingers, the warmth of my fingers, and it's melting right in to my skin. I love the brush. I love the idea of the brush. I don't know. Maybe I don't have enough patience for it. It's and these colors are very pigmented, which I do like, but they're light and buildable. But they do melt into the skin, and they have a nude. They have like a nude relationship with your skin. So, there's something to be said about that. There just is. Because I think the nude tone to the pigment of the color that they add in just blends in with your skin, and I really think it just makes your skin look beautiful. And if I'm going to use these, I'm going to use my fingers, but I like the idea of the brush. I like the idea. And what I like about it is, if I'm going to throw it in my pocketbook, I'm not going to throw, let's say I'm going on the boat, I'm going to throw this in my pocketbook without a brush, and I'm going to make it work. So I do like that. But I like all the colors. I like all the colors. I think they're all pretty. Every one of them. They're all keepers to me. I'm glad I got them. And I got them for a very cheap price because I got the special. But they're worth the buy. These eyelashes, oh my God, crazy. It's all right though. But I don't know, guys. I do know. By the time you watch this, I'm already 58 because I have to edit. And I just want to tell you that turning 58 is a little different for me than turning 57, because turning 57 meant I'm still, I don't know. It's strange. Turning 58 means I'm closer to 60. That's really what it means right now for me. But I have sisters that are over 60. So, and they look freaking amazing. I mean, crazy amazing. So that's not my point. My point, it's not right now. Right now, I think, is 58 like 58 feels like a realization to me that I'm getting older. And it doesn't matter how I look. I mean, it does matter. I'm going to look my best. I'm going to do everything to look and feel my best, obviously. I work out like a fiend. So people that are older than me will probably think, this is funny, it's a joke, you're so young, but I'm not. I'm approaching 60. 2 more years, I'll be 60. And I remember when I was young, 50 was ancient. 50 was ancient. So, you know, that's my attitude. That's not my attitude, but that's what was inside my head. And now I'm approaching 60. I've had friends that have died. I've had friends that have had strokes. And it's almost like when something like that happens to a friend of yours or somebody that you know, it's because they're older. So if any of you can relate to what I'm talking about, then you know getting older is a little scary because of, you know, healthy situations or death. So you can imagine as you get older and you know you're approaching, you know, a milestone, it's kind of scary. And you know, I don't know about you and all of you that may be my age or older. I mean, that's all everybody talks about. It sucks getting old. Everything happens when you're older. Yeah, when you get older, you know, that happens and this happens. Yeah, my bones are achy and creaky and it's harder for me to get up in the morning and it's harder for me to move around. Yeah. So anyway, I'm just being real. I have no advice or I have nothing positive to say about it. I really don't. I can't say, oh yeah, but you know what? You look good, or you know what? But if you go out and you work out, I don't have anything to say. All I have to say is be grateful for what you have. Be grateful that you have you. Be grateful, honestly, that you have you and you're still here and you can still make a difference in this life, because what you do from, you know, this day forward makes a difference in your life and anybody else's. And that's all I know right now. So hopefully I'm not sounding stupid. And I think I might be sounding stupid because I'm drunk. You know what? Here's what I have to say. If you get older and you're still healthy, drink. Get drunk. Have fun. Do whatever you want. Do drugs. Cuss. Cuss at people. Smile at people. Get your wine. Women and wine. Remember back in the day when they had those songs, Women and Wine? And you know, it was not women and wine. Women drank beer back then and whiskey and whatever. But you know what? We're now drinking wine. So now it's about women and wine. So make that the truth. Women and wine. Drink your wine. Have fun. Get a buzz. Feel good. Fuck it. Love you guys. Happy birthday to me. Watching?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, you're bored.
But we're done. We're done with this video. We're done.
We're done. 5, 4, 3, 2...